All right, so as you can see here, the sweet peas are growing pretty nicely. It's coming, it's flourishing, despite of all the rain that we've been having. And we also have the cucumbers. You see the flowers blooming, so it's a sign, sure sign that cucumbers will be pushing through. So that's looking pretty nice. And the garlic there in the back, another herb pushing there. And we have some parsley, rich in vitamin C and amazing, solid, and very nutritious. Well, that's it. Hope you've been blessed. He that tilleth his land shall be satisfied with bread, but he that followeth vain persons is void of understanding. Proverbs chapter 12, verse 11. God bless and happy gardening.